because you're standing for something more than the dollars that come in the door. And that's so, so critical. So draw a triangle, and you don't need to put anything in the middle, right? But on the left-hand leg right there, you put people love to buy from. That's essentially what the Deloitte report said. When you become on purpose, when you become stand out, then people love to buy from you. And you become a magnet for talent. People want to work for you. This is a triangle that you should put up in on your whiteboard or wherever it is, right? So that you get how important this story is. And what happens is when you're that, then people look to you. Of course they look to you because you're standing out, because you stand for. And people respect and recommend you. So as a result of that very, very simple little triangle, guess what happens? Have a look. So, well, what happens is when more people love to buy from you, then profit and growth would generally be the result of that. When people love to work for you because of where you are in your story, then guess what's happening? They are getting engaged and they are getting connected in a way that they've not been engaged and connected before, because you're standing for something more than the dollars that come in the door. And that's so, so critical. You saw the Deloitte numbers on that. And then when people respect and recommend you, have a guess what happens? More profit and growth. So when you do this, it is good for business. We wanted to make sure that you really understand that.